Have you heard about the 120-day visa rule and you're wondering what it means? I'm Lincoln-Goldfinch, your friendly immigration lawyer in Texas, here to answer all of your immigration questions. The 120-day rule is a rule that applies to two types of visas, F1 and M1, which are student visas and vocational visas. So on a student visa, you can come to the U.S. and study, even if you're in high school, for example, but all the way up through graduate and in university programs. With vocational schools, you can think about chef schools or even flying schools. You can do things that aren't in a typical university setting, for example. And with both of these types of visas, the embassy or the consulate of the United States in the country where you are residing is where you will get the visa. And the visa can be issued to the student up to 120 days before the advance or before the start date for the program. That's the 120-day rule. So that's a timing thing about when you apply and get your visa before the program. But it's also important to keep in mind that when you get a visa to come to the United States, there's 2 points at which you get approved. One is at the consulate or the embassy, and the other is when you're actually entering the United States, which is usually with Border Patrol at the airport or CBP. And so when you are coming in, you want to come in no more than 30 days before the advance of your program. That should give you enough time to get in and get settled.